Smashed it. Hey guys, it's Philip from the Honda Resource, and today I'm going to be coming to you to install a set of hybrid racing shifter springs for a K-Series. This particular one I'm working on is a Honda CRV. It's a manual transmission, obviously, but the difference with this one is it's actually 6-speed. So I'm doing a couple other things too while I'm installing this 6-speed gear set, and one of those includes installing these springs. I did install the detent springs. That's pretty straightforward, but I was going to show you guys how to take a stock CRV 5-speed shifter, install these springs, and also modify it to work with a 6-speed. Now this one won't have the lockout, however it will still work as far as shifting. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this is the OEM part number that we're going to need for the shifter, and I'll show you the difference once I take the other one off. So we just need a 12mm, and so we have to take this bolt out right here. Alright, and don't lose the little washer. Got a little washer there. So all this will slide down and off of it. Alright, and these are the springs that we're replacing here. These two. So make sure that that washer stays on there. Alright, and then on our hybrid springs, put the small spring on first. The larger spring goes over. Alright, and then this little cup goes over like that. Alright, then what we got to do is switch this piece. This is the difference on the 6-speed and 5-speed. There's this slot right here. The slot, you can see the 6-speed one kind of goes, it's pretty even, you know, all the way across, and with the 5-speed one, you see it doesn't go all the way to the end. See, the 6-speed's a lot longer, so without changing this piece, it won't go through all the gears. Alright, so we got it all swapped over there. Just push it back down. Make sure you put that washer back on the bolt. And that's pretty much it. So now we get this plugged back into the transmission. It should be ready to go. So thanks so much for checking out this video. I know it's short and sweet, but it shows you how to do the 6-speed conversion on the shifter, as well as install the hybrid racing shifter springs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you again on another video soon. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you tomorrow.